You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Word pronunciation in English. How to pronounce British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. A little bit different though. Let's hear the difference. The British English pronunciation used in the UK is as learn. The R is not really pronounced learn. In American English, however, the R sound is more marked, as the Americans pronounce it as learn. Learn, American English, or learn, British English. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.